Good morning, my dear little kids. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. My dear students, a very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. I hope you all knows how to do subtraction without strokes now. Yes, we have already done this topic in our previous class. Yes, you all knows how to do. सबको आती है subtraction without strokes. Good, well done. So now in today's class we will do subtraction again but in your book. So be ready with your books quickly. Bring out your books and open page number 41. Page number 41. Today we will do these sums on page number 41. I am writing the same sums on the board. After then we will start writing, okay? Till then, you have to be ready with your books, pencils, erasers. Page number 41. Tens, ones, 14 minus 4. The first sum you can see in your book, 14 minus 4. The next one is 11 minus 1. Third is 17 minus 7. 16 minus 6. 19 minus 9. First of all, these 5 sums we will do in your book, and after that, the next topic with pictures we will do subtraction. Okay, the first sum you can see on the board, 14 minus 4. From which side we will do the sum first? कौन सी side से हम पहले solve करेंगे? From 1 side or 10th side? Yes. I hope you all remember. सबको याद होगा कि कौन सी side से start करते हैं? From one side, yes. Which digits are placed on one side? Okay, तो हम उसको पहले solve करेंगे. Here we have number 4 and 4 on one's place. 4 minus 4. When we subtract the same number, then we will get what we get in answer? 0. Yes, जब same number को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाता है, लाइक 4 minus 4, 4 में से 4 को हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, तो हमारे पास आंसर क्या आएगा? 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Here on this side you can see here is nothing on the bottom. Yes, on top here we have only 1 and here is nothing, so we will write 1 here. 14 minus 4 is 10. Do in your books. Write 10 here. Okay, the next is 11 minus 1. Again we will solve this side first. 1 minus 1. Again we have same number. In these all we have same numbers on one's place. See, 1 minus 1, 7 minus 7, 6 minus 6 and 9 minus 9. Yes. So here on one's place in all sums we have to write 0. And on this side here is only 1. 14 minus 4, 10. 11 minus 1, 10. 17 minus 7, 10. 16 minus 6, again 10. And 19 minus 9 is also 10. So, in these all sums, the answer is same, 10. Do it quickly, then we will do the next sum. hope you all have done. Okay, the next topic is here. Cross out to find the objects left with you and write the answer. Here you have given the number on this side 15 minus 1. You have 15 flowers in this picture and you have to subtract only 1 from 15. 15 में से कितने subtract करने हैं? Only 1. So now you have to subtract only 1 from 15. So what you will do in this book, see here, you will cross one flower. You have to cross only one flower from these 15. Now let's count these all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many flowers left here? 14. If we will subtract one flower from 15, so we have left only 14 now. So you have to write number 14 in this box. Here you have to write number 14. See here on next page, here are again some pictures of flowers. These are 16 flowers. See, 16 minus 5. How many flowers are these? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Here are 16 flowers and we have to subtract 5 from 16. See, 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5. So here we will make 5 cross. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have made 5 cross on flowers. You have to do the same like this. Okay. Now we will count these left flowers. How many flowers we have left? We have to count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 16 minus 5, we have left only 11 flowers. So in this box, here you have to write 11. Understand? 16 minus 5 is 11. I hope you all have done. Okay, now here is subtraction using number line. We will do subtraction using number line now. So, you have used the number lines in addition and subtraction already. Yes, we have done this topic. For addition, we have to jump forward on number line and for subtraction, we have to jump backward. Yes, here is given number line. You have already done it but with number up to 10. Today we will do up to 20. See here again, I am making a number line on the board with 20 numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Here is number line with 20 numbers and how we will solve it. For example, you have to don't write this sum in your notebooks. Only for example, I am doing it. 20 minus 5 is equal to. ये सम आपको नोटबुक पे नहीं करना है. You have to understand this sum only. Okay, see carefully. 20 minus 5. So from where we will start? From 20. Here is number 20. And how many number we have to subtract? We have to subtract number 5 from 20. Yes, 20 में से 5 को subtract करना है. So we will make back jump 5 times. Okay, from 20, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many backward counting numbers? 5 numbers. And where we reach now? On number 15. So 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. Like this you have to solve these sums. Now we will do the same sums from the book. Here we have given two sums. You can see here I am solving this first one, and again after then the second. You have to write the answer in your book. First is 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. And the second sum is 19 minus 7. So tell me now from where we will start. First sum 11 minus 5. From number 11 we will start. And how many backward jump we have to make? 5. Yes. So make the little jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where we reach? On number 6. देखिए कौन सा नंबर है आंसर में? 6. So 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. The next one is 19 minus 7. 19 minus 7. So now we will start from number 19. And we will make 7 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where we reach? On number 12. So 19 minus 7 is equal to 12. Understand? And I hope you all have done these two sums in your notebook. Sorry, in your book. Yes? Okay, good. Today we have done the portion on page number 41, subtraction orally, again with pictures and with number lines on page number 42. Now here is another topic on page number 43. You can see here are abacus. Yes, you can see the abacus on your book. See, these are called abacus. Now we will do subtraction with abacus. Tens and ones. This spike is for ones and this is for tens. Here we have three sums of abacus. First is 13 minus 2. First is 13 minus 2. Second is 18 minus 6. And third is 19 minus 4. Now how we will do it on abacus? See, these are called spikes. Spikes. So this spike is for ones and this is for tens. Here we have number 13 and 2. We have to subtract number 2 from 13. First of all, we will make 13 on abacus and after that we will cut 2 beads from them. Okay. 13. In this number, 3 is ones and 1 is tens. Yes. So 3, here we will make 3 beads like this, 3 circles, 1, 2, 3. And on tens place, here we have only 1. Now see, it is 13. 1 and 3. 1, 3, 13. How many we have to cut from these? 13 minus 2. हमें कितने माइनस करने हैं 13 में से? 2. So we will cut from here 1, 2. 2 is only ones. So we have to cut 2 beads from this side, from one side. Now how many we have left? See, 1 tens and 1 ones. 1 and 1, 11. 13 minus 2 is 11. Next is 18 minus 6. How we will arrange number 18 here? 1 tens and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 8, 18. Make these small circles like this. 1 on 10 side and 8 on one side. 1, 8, 18. 18 minus 6. 6 is only one digit number. So we will cut 6 beads from one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beads I have cut here. See. Now how many we have left on abacus? 1 on 10 side and here 1, 2. 1, 2, 12. 18 minus 6 is 12. Next is 19 minus 4. 19 minus 4. Now arrange number 19 on abacus. How you will do it? Tell me. 1 and 9. Okay, 1 bead where we will make. On which side we will make only 1 bead? Yes, in 10th side. Because 1 is placed on 10th place. So here we will make only 1. And on another side, here we have to make 9 beads on 1's place. Okay. So make 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 9, 19. 19 minus 4. 19 में से कितने कट करने हैं हमें? 4. So make cross on 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have subtracted 4 from 19. Now how many beads we have left? Count them. 1 on 10th side and on one side you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5 beads on one side. So which number we will write here? 19 minus 4 is equal to 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Done. And I hope you all understand the concept of abacus, subtraction with abacus. Very good. Now my dear students, we will meet in our next class. Bye-bye. Take care.